Oh, why does this keep happening? First the Sheraton move, and now MPs are switching parties again? Can't they just stay loyal to their voters? Exactly. Did you know that between 2020 and 2022, over 30 MPs switched parties, causing two governments to collapse? This instability shook voter trust and crippled governance, but Malaysia took action. The anti-party hopping law of 2022 aims to fix this problem. So today, we'll explore its legal foundation, political impact, and the constitutional changes that support this law. Let's get started. Party hopping destabilizes democracy. Imagine voting for a candidate only to see them switch parties post-election. That's exactly what happened during the Sheraton move in 2020, collapsing the Pakatan Harapan government and triggering public frustration. So party hopping breaks voter trust and leads to political chaos? Exactly. And with trust in elected leaders eroding, Malaysians demanded a solution. Let's see how the anti-party hopping law addresses this. The law is grounded in Article 49A of the Federal Constitution. Here's how it works. If an MP switches parties, resigns from their party, or joins another as an independent, they automatically lose their seat. This ensures MPs remain loyal to their electoral mandate. Ooh, that sounds like it puts voter first. But what about exceptions? Good question. Exceptions include party dissolution or becoming Speaker of Parliament. Critics argue these loopholes could be exploited. While the law is a step forward, it's not a cure-all. Let's now explore its political impact. The law has already made a difference since its implementation. No MP has switched parties, signaling restored voter trust and parliamentary stability. It reduces opportunistic defections that destabilized governments. Wow, that's great. But are there still challenges? Oh, unfortunately, yes. Expelled MPs can retain their seats, and the law doesn't apply to state assemblies yet. These gaps limit its effectiveness. Future amendments are necessary to make the law comprehensive. So, to enforce the law, Article 10 of the Federal Constitution was amended. This restricts MPs' freedom of association, ensuring they cannot switch parties without consequences. Okay, but isn't freedom of association a fundamental right? It is. However, balancing individual rights with democratic accountability is crucial. Safeguards are in place to prevent abuse while ensuring MPs honor the trust voters place in them. In summary, the anti-party hopping law strengthens democracy by stabilizing governments and restoring voter trust, but is not perfect. Gaps like expelled MPs retaining seats need addressing through future amendments. And as voters, we have a role too. Staying informed and holding our representative accountable ensures these reforms succeed. Exactly. Democracy thrives when voters demand accountability. So together, we can create a stronger, more stable Malaysia. So thank you.